In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make easy oven roasted tilapia. If you love fish, then you have to try out this recipe because it's going to be absolutely delicious. To get started, I'm going to be using a few ingredients, and of course the key ingredient is fish. So I have a ginormous fish over here. It's quite large, and I'm going to be showing you how we are going to prepare our fish. So first thing, you're going to make 3 or 4 cuts depending on the size of your fish. So because mine is very huge, I'm going to be making 4 slits. So you have to cut a very deep cut. Just make sure that you don't cut through the bone. It's even 5 cuts. Yeah, that's a big fish. Then I'm going to flip it and make the same cuts. How do you check if a fish is fresh? Because as you know, they're perishable. The first thing you check is the eyes. If the eyes are sunken, that fish is not fresh. But if the eyes are protruding out, yeah, your fish is so fresh. Once you're done cutting the slits, you're going to season your fish with some salt and a little bit of black pepper. You're going to season both sides of your fish. Then I'm going to pick a lemon and drizzle in a little bit of lemon juice. Then I'm going to rub. Make sure you get in between the cuts. And then I'm going to flip. Repeat the same. A little bit of salt and black pepper. And some lemon juice. And of course, don't forget the insides. Just want a little bit of salt and black pepper. That is not a lot of pepper because most of the seasoning is going to fall out. Once you're done seasoning the fish, I'm going to be showing you how to make our marinade. So I have a mini processor over here. So I'm going to add my basil leaves. If you don't have fresh basil, you can use the dried one. Put the basil leaves in my processor, just like that. Here I have fresh thyme. And then to this I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Then I'm going to add cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'll cover my processor. If you don't have a processor, you can also use a blender. So I'm going to scrape the sides. Then at this point, I'm going to add my paprika in. Cover and process. My marinade is ready. Wow! As you can see, this is the consistency and it's looking amazing. So I'm going to pick my baking tray, which I've already lined with foil. This is going to help me not to have a messy baking tray. Then I'm going to transfer my fish. Then I'm going to use my brush and apply the marinade on my fish. If you don't have the brush, you can use your hands. It will still work. Don't forget the inside. And then I'm going to flip. This is how it's looking, and the inside are just okay. Once you are done basting the fish with the marinade, you're going to refrigerate it for 1 hour if you're in a hurry. And if you're not in a hurry, you're going to refrigerate your fish for at least 24 hours because it's going to be amazing after you make the fish. After 1 hour, my fish is ready to go into the oven. So you're going to preheat your oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So to my fish, I'm going to add the inside of my fish. I'm going to add a few slices of lemon, just like that, and a few sprigs of thyme. I want to make sure the fish is delicious. So now let's roast our fish. Once in a while, I enjoy eating fish, and I love changing up how I prepare my fish. So this fish is amazing. It smells so good, and I know it definitely tastes so good. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you